Yes, so hello everyone. I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphology Made Simple, and in this video we are going to have a look at another signature type, which is the first name initial and full last name. So you will find this signature in lot of mature people. Okay, for example, your father, your mother, they may be having this type of signature. I will tell you why. Let's just first find how to find this particular trait. Okay, in someone's signature. So as you can see here, A stands for writer. Okay, writer's name. For example, here my name. Okay. So for example, my name is Akhilesh. Okay. So this is my name initial and this is my full last name. Okay. Yes. So it is my full last name and here I have only added my A here. Okay. My other letters are not added here. So the writers who have their initial means only the first letter, okay, only the first letter of their first name and whole surname, whole, the full last name falls under this category. Okay, so you will find your father, your mother signing like this because let's see why. Yes, so as you can see, yes, so as you can see here, what I have written here, these people make sacrifices for others. So the reason your father or your mother may be having this type of signature is because they make sacrifices for their family, right? So the leaders who there are, the big leaders tend to sign like this. If you see Albert Einstein's signature, he too have this type of signature. He is having two types of signature, one in Albert Einstein. Yet, if you see most of his signature, he tends to write only A and then his whole last name. So these are the people, firstly, who sacrifices for others. Why? Because they have only written their own last name, first name initial, and then the whole family name. And family means friends, right? Friends are also our family, or your college or your office work people are also a part of your family, right? So these people tend to sacrifice for them and give them first priority. They do think about themselves as well. It's not that they will always give them the first priority. Okay, others the first priority, yet most of the time they sacrifice for others. Sometimes they also give themselves the priority as well, unlike the last name people. Okay, there's a difference. Now, these people are hardworking in nature, and these people tend to be as they want, they accept the responsibilities. Okay, they accept the responsibilities about their work, about their life, about their family. As I said before, your father may be writing like this, signing like this. It's because he accepts the responsibility he's having. Okay, that's the reason he works hard. He works hard or smart in a way for their family. Now remember, these people also tend to be more attached towards their either mother or either father or both because they have their surname attached to it. Now here you can see is the gap. I will tell you the gap in another video yet. Let's just get intro of it. So here you can see writer has written with a closed, for example, yeah. So with a closed, you can see here, there is no gap in between. So the writer who have this particular trait tend to be more attached to his family, right? They cannot just move out of their protection or they are dependent on them. Okay, in a way. Now there are writer who have this type of signature. So these writer are close towards family, yet they also have their own personal space. Now there are also some writers you will find who have A and then the name is written far away, right? Distance is far away. So these writers do not have that much closeness with their family. Okay, it happens. You may find lot of types of signature. In some signature, you will find that writer has written his first name initial, Then he may have written his father's name initial, or sometimes wife's initial, husband's initial, or mother's initial as well. So it happens. So during that time, and then the whole last name. Okay, so like here, give me some time. Yes. So like here. So here you can see his first name initial, his father's name initial, or either way mother's name initial, or wife's initial, or husband's initial. Okay, so it indicates that writer wants to be like them in a way and is attached with them more. Okay, most of the time this writer tend to be want to be like them, be it their family. Okay, for example here, if writer has written his family's initials, so it means that writer wants to be like his father. Okay, he or sees him like his father. And then the last name indicates family, right? So still it doesn't matter if both are initials, right? Doesn't matter if he's written one initial or two initials. The writer here sacrifices for others and give them first priority. Okay, in most of the situation, and they accept the responsibilities. They are able to be independent as well. It's not that they are not independent. They are independent. They are not fully dependent on their family. Yet they they are responsible people in a way. So that's all for this video. I believe you have understood the concept. It is very simple. Let me explain it again. So how to find this particular signature? Firstly, the first name initial. So writer has written only his first name initial. His full name, for his full first name may be, okay, his full first name may be like this. Yet here he has only used his first letter. Okay, and then the full last name. So the writer who have this particular trait fall under this category. Also, you may find that sometimes writer have their father's initial, mother's initial letter, or wife's initial letter, or husband's initial letter as well in writing. Okay, so these people also fall under this category. Okay, so now what can it tell us? It tells us that writer sacrifices for others, sacrifices for them. Okay, yet they are not dependent on them. They are independent people as well, yet they are hardworking in nature. And these people are responsible people. They accept the responsibilities, be it about themselves, their own life, family's life, or be it about others. If they are running a company like CEO, founder, okay, they accept the responsibilities. And these people are more attached towards either father or mother. If they have, even if they have their this initial or not, they are attached towards their father or mother. And if they have the initial, it indicates same. And it also it tells us they want the world to know that they are like their father, or they want to be like their father or mother or wife or husband. Okay, so that's all for this video. I believe you have learned something new, and next time you find this type of signature you will be able to analyze them. So that's all for this particular video. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning, let's keep growing. More videos are coming up.